everyone, and welcome back to the Shabby Doll House. It's Laura. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I want to welcome all of my new subscribers. Thank you for being here, and I hope that my projects will bring you lots of inspiration. And I want to apologize, I haven't been here in a while because I have been working on orders. So today I have some pincushions to share with you, and these are a design team project for Crafty Me Shop. So this will be a short video. So I'll start out with these beautiful, adorable little shoes. And these are from Crafty Me Shop. They look dirty, but they're just aging because I did clean them. I just didn't want to paint them. I left them just the way they came. So I used some of Esme's beautiful trim on here, and I used my own flowers in the middle. But I used a lot of her little laces and trims behind there. And they have tatting around them. They're both exactly the same. And I used some of her real pretty tiny little trim here to go around the inside. So I think that these are just so adorable. So that's the first ones I did. And then I made some jars. And this one, I used one of her pretty appliques on top. And this is fabric from my own stash, but I used my own tatting to go around this one, along with her beautiful trims. They're kind of hard to see under there because I just layered a lot of them. And that's some of her trims there hanging on the jar. And that's just some of my real pretty pink, blush pink, beautiful ribbon I wanted to tie on there. And it's just full of buttons and thread. And this is the other one I did, and I used some of her really pretty sage green trim on here. And this tatting's from my stash. I didn't do that tatting. And I just used some shabby chic fabric on top and her trims all the way around. I think it's just adorable. And this is one of her laces that's from a piece I cut off, and that is some of her seam binding, and I just added some coffee dye seam binding with it. And that one's just filled with sewing supplies and some fabric buttons I did. And last but not least, we have this adorable box that I created. So I got my husband to get me a box from his shed, and I painted it white. And there's actually a little keyhole in there. Isn't it so cute? So I found a tutorial from Jeanette at My Cottage Crafts for her little pincushion. So I made one, and I wanted to put it on top of the box. So I'm so happy that my husband had one around the size of the pincushion because I think it turned out so beautiful. So on the corners, I added these little corner pieces that she sent us in our DT package. And on the pincushion, I have her very beautiful lace on here, and I just put it on both sides. And her V-shaped applique here, and a crochet doily in the middle, and one of her bows. And it had a cameo on it, and I just took it off because I wanted to use this flower. I absolutely love the color of this blue flower, so I wanted to use that. I think it turned out so beautiful, y'all. And I added her ruffle trim around here underneath it, and also this tiny trim here, which I am completely out of now. I used it all up. So isn't that just so beautiful? It will look so pretty in my new sewing room. So all I did was put some ripped fabric under there, so it makes a bow. And so when you open it up, it's just full of my pins. And for some reason, I guess it's the dye that they used in the wood, this turned pink. I painted it 3 times and it still came out pink. So I just have all of my pins in here, so that's just my pin box. Isn't that beautiful? I love it so much. I think it turned out adorable, and I love to rough up the edges to make it look like it's worn. So that is my projects. I apologize for the short little video, but I hope that y'all love them. And I will have the link down below for Esme's shop, so y'all can go to her. It's actually a Facebook page. You're going to go to her Facebook page if you're interested, answer a few questions, and join the group. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you love my projects. Please let me know what's your favorite down below, and I will see you all soon. Bye, y'all.